there, one there, one there, and one there. All right, it's all done. Welcome, everybody, to another episode of the Discovering Jesus Adventure Series. This is day 249, and oh, hi!
Mr. Kevin,
I got them all done. All the stairs are done.
you sealed the bears.
Yes, I built the stairs. So you can go up this way to your room. You can go down this way. And let's see here. Oh, yeah, these over here. Come over here. See, you can go all the way down here. And then we can go all the way down to your new brewing space down here this way. That good?
Very good, very good.
Nice.
Now I won't get dizzy.
Okay, well, man, it's been such a good time being with you. It's time for me to head off, though.
Okay, I will eat some cookies.
Okay, are you going to come visit me sometime?
Probably.
Okay, well, fantastic. Well, it's been
Thank
fun.
you for the house.
Oh, you're welcome. Hope you enjoy it, and looking forward to the other things that you might be making. But, yeah, we'll see you next time.
Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye. All right, fantastic. Well, I'm so glad she likes it and will enjoy it. But man, she's been making some cool stuff. Strawberry milk and then some apple juice. That's really good. And I think we just have to go straight that direction and we'll get back. Okay, I don't think I'm going to try to go through the tunnel again because that was really scary. See, what do I do again? I have to hold the feather and say snowball power. Okay, all right, miscellaneous. Here we go. Ready? Snowball power! Yes! This is so fast. Woo! Okay. Oh, too fast. All right, gotta let it load. Let it go. Here we go. Snowball power! Oh, there it is. There's the gunship. Oh, yeah, that was disaster over here. I hope Mr. Redbeard's not too mad at us for blowing up his contraption, but what can you do? Okay, here we go. Snowball power! Oh, you're so good, Miscellaneous. So good. Ooh, phew, that was close. All right, here we go. Wait, what is this over here? This is really strange. There's like a cat face in there. And there's some kind of bubbles. Wow, very interesting. I wonder what happens if Miss... Whoa! Well, it works for Happy Gas too. That's really cool. It's a way to make Happy Gas go up fast. Oh, too fast. Ow. Sorry. Oh, this is bad. Okay. Sorry. Okay. All right, Miscellaneous. I think I'll leave you here in your nice happy spot. And thanks for letting me ride you. You're super fast. I'm going to put this feather away so I don't accidentally touch it. Okay, here we go. All right, bye, Miscellaneous. Gotta go get the Bible. Here we go. All right. Ooshta. Oh, hey! Captain Argula, how are you today?
Well, I was watching this golem.
Uh-huh.
And giving him things.
Okay.
He's confused, I think.
Confused? How so?
Well, he puts stuff in the chest over there, then it disappears and comes over here.
Oh, well, he's been struggling with that for a while, but why is he stuck?
I don't know. There's bubbles there.
Oh, there's another bubble thing here. Ah. I saw another bubble thing over by the Happy Gas farm. It's really cool. There's like a new path, and it goes all the way up.
I think he's too heavy to float.
Yeah, I think so, too. The Happy Gas arms. The Happy Gas definitely float on the bubbles.
Mr. Kevin!
Yeah, I see. You float, too.
This is fun.
Can I do it, too? Woohoo!
Don't fall off. You get hurt.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll be careful. Okay. But the golems don't float, huh?
I guess not. They're too heavy.
Interesting. All right, well, It's kind of late. I haven't read the Bible yet. You want to read it with me?
Oh, yes. Yes. Let's go read the Bible.
All right, let me go get it. I got to put these back. I was over at Merchant Poppy's place.
Merchant Poppy?
Yeah.
What did you do over there?
She wanted to read the Bible, so we were reading it together.
She was reading the Bible.
Oh, wow, she is a fantastic reader. Unbelievable. I would never have thought.
That's interesting.
Yeah, she's really good at it. All right. Well, maybe she'll come back sometime and we can read the Bible again, but built her a new house and everything. It was great.
Well, that's nice.
Yeah. All right. Well, here we are.
Dark.
Ah, home sweet home. Even though we got
Yay.
creakers out.
Yeah, we gotta stare at them.
Well,
Well, the cats are staring at us too.
everybody stares. It's good. All right, here we go. Day 249. Jesus teaches about himself. Luke chapter 24, verses 25 through 27. Here's our reflect. Do you know any prophecies that Jesus fulfilled?
He was born.
That's true. I think there was another prophecy about him being from Egypt and going down to Egypt.
Mm-hmm.
Let's
His
see.
mother was a virgin.
Yeah, it's true. It's another prophecy that Jesus fulfilled. Well, if you're watching and you know of prophecies that Jesus fulfilled, you should let us know. He certainly fulfilled a lot of them. All right, here we go. Then Jesus said to them, "You foolish people, you find it so hard to believe all that the prophets wrote in the scriptures."
Wasn't it clearly predicted that the Messiah would have to suffer all these things before entering his glory? Then Jesus took them through the writings of Moses and all the prophets, explaining from all the scriptures the things concerning himself.
Oh, I would have loved to hear Jesus give this talk.
That must have been a lot. A long, long teaching lesson.
Well, they were walking, so I guess they had time. All right. Well, here's our praise. Jesus, you are glorious. Yes, he is. I've so enjoyed reading these scriptures about the death, burial, and resurrection of Jesus and things he did after he rose from the dead. So cool. If you'd like to praise Jesus with us? Let's do it now. Ready, go. Jesus, you are glorious. All right. Well, we should push some buttons.
Oh,
Some good
we
teaching.
haven't done that in a while.
Good teaching.
Here we go. I'm gonna push this one.
Oh, they're getting closer. Yes, miracles, teaching. Very good. Oh! I guess he wanted to get in on the fireworks. Ow.
No, sorry.
Oh, that was you.
I was trying to push your
I
buttons.
wonder if I can get him to stand on the fireworks. Can we get him to stand on? Here. I'm going to turn around like right here. Oh, not quite. Maybe like right here. Yeah, push the button. Oh, that's the wrong spot.
Yeah, it's over here.
I got to get him over here. Okay, all right. I'm going to stand right here.
I can't push a button.
Oh. All right, now push it. Push it.
It's coming at me.
Oh, yeah. It's blowing up everything here.
Misdirecting the fireworks.
Careful, he's going to blow up the sheep.
Don't hurt
That's
Bobo,
interesting.
please.
So that's cool. Whoa, look at that eyeball. All right, everybody. Thanks for reading the Bible with us. Be sure to read the Bible every single day. Super important. God's Word, most important thing you could read. All right, we'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Oh, sorry.